This is the water coming from the upstairs window down here. Oh, shoot. On the floor, it's soaking wet. My fan was in the window, so now my fan is saturating wet. This is not water coming from outside, but as you can see here, that drip is in the frame. That's because it's coming from upstairs. It goes all the way across. The whole thing is saturated. Water pouring down the walls where glass doesn't open. Another indication of that. Here, you can hear it. You can see it getting soaking wet. Carpet's soaking wet. All down here. Still dripping. You can hear it. You can see it. It's the second time this has happened. Right here. That's water in the ceiling. Right there. Water coming from the ceiling. That's what's totally saturating my wife's side of the mattress. Water dripping from the ceiling. We've already pulled everything off of the bed, but I'll show you here. Coming from the head side, soaked and saturated, and both of these were the ones going up and attached. I pulled it off so that I can get the water basically off of the mattress and away from the mattress. I pulled it out away from the wall. This is from apartment 21, which is directly above us. See that shine? See those drips? Okay. Coming right here from the ceiling. Okay, it's moving forward. I see it now. It's actually going all the way up to here now. It's getting ready to start dripping. See if you can see that drip right there getting ready to start up. These are still dripping now. All in here, saturated and dripping from the top. Electrical socket right there in the wall, getting a little bit wet. Everything we had on the floor is saturated. Electrical plug here, getting soaked. Alarm clock getting soaked. Had electronic equipment. It's a little bit soaked here. You can see a stain starting to develop already as it's drying out. Across here, you can see that water. Oh, that's water. There you go. See all that water. It's still dripping, still running. If we let the manager know in apartment 5, I don't think she understands that she needs to go up there and close their window. Like I said, second time this has happened now.